That would be cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to throw this in there with my camping video, camping clips. The campground we stayed at, my brother told me that the owner told him it used to be a gay campsite, which my brother bullshits a lot, so I just thought he was just messing with me. So, but it turns out that it was true, because I googled the campsite and videos and images came up of where it used to be a gay campsite. But I don't care, you know, that's cool. That's, you know, people can do what they want. You know, I don't have anything against the gay people. You know, they deserve campsites too. I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll put it in the comments to where someone stayed at it when it was a gay campsite. Definitely check them out. Tell them I sent you. Send them some love. You know, it was just cool to see that. But so mostly we just had fun. So I don't know if you wanted anything more than that on about the gay campsite. I can't do nothing for you. You can go watch the other videos. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I should have a serious video coming up pretty soon that I am going to try to work on very hard and put a lot of research into. So have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.
You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that.
Fishing trip.
Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
That takes you right. Down, steers you left. Wait. Shine where we can see. Wait, shine where we can see the stick over there. Oh, right over there.
Throwing aside.
Yeah, okay.
Can't wait to start.
We're going to that
You should
dock
call the
right now.
police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.
Hyperdrive.
Feel like that. Feel like that.
Hyperdrive.
Like that.
We're gonna do it. Hyperdrive.
Like that. Stay with me, baby.
Watch the motorboat going right now.
Like that. Lay your arms around me and
pull in at?
Stay,
Okay, right here. Okay, everybody. Look at it. Made it. Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. That would be cool. That was good. Okay. Okay, where are you going now? Are you sure? God dang. Oh my God. Yeah, that would suck. Where are you going again? Through there again? God damn, dude. You're stupid. You'll make us sink. God. No, I'm good.